Hello. Hi, welcome to the Coco Show. I'm Coco.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the Coco Show. We are trying to finally make the very popular, very famous Dalgona coffee that first originated in South Korea and just came over here, and everyone's been trying to try. It's literally everywhere on social media, especially during quarantine times, because why not? So we're gonna try to make the Dalgona type and also the green tea version. So let's see how it goes.
The ingredients needed are instant coffee or matcha powder, sugar or honey, and hot water. They say it takes about 400 stirs, but we brought out Sir Mix a lot, and Gabby tried doing it herself, and let's just say it was a great arm workout.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, about around 200 mixes, my arm started to burn. So I definitely suggest using an electric mixer if you have one.
At first, the color is going to look really dark, but don't worry. As you keep mixing, it will lighten up. You know it will be done when you reach this light brown color and cloud-like whipped consistency. This drink is actually pronounced Dalgona. The name comes from the color you get after done mixing, which resembles the popular Korean street candy, Dalgona. So we wanted these drinks to be cold, so we put milk over the ice, but if you want it to be warm, you can use steamed milk.
When I drop mics, all the black Tom Hanks. You can call the nigga Banks. Secret agent Cody Banks. Quarter pound of the tank. Only skin let it stank. Poor mama in the range. I just bought a new Wraith. Nick Cage with the face off. John Travolta when I take off. Praying peace on the fight club. Turn it to the back club.
On Coco Show, we do part-time ASMR.
Tom Cruise on a mission. Pull an R&B singer. Bring her back to South Central. I shine just like a pop star. MJ my initial. Kobe Brown with the spin moves. Any nigga got issues. Ace 10 with Beyonce. Turned her to my prom date. Kingpin like Jay-Z. Dance moves like JT.
These letters with some dress. I just gave my nigga head. Standing on my two legs. Fuck with that nigga done said, bro. I don't fuck with no white boys. Unless a nigga Shawn Mendes. I've been off and I've been dead. That is sad I don't bench press. I ain't school, they ain't fuck with me. Now critics don't fuck with me. My own fam ain't fuck with me. But Vice Land did fuck with me. I'm the only pop star with no money. Can't drive, so I'm still running. Uber taking all my show money. But that's okay, I got more money. Not enough to get my teeth fixed. So I'm always running in the street, bitch. In the moonlight, I get seasick. Didn't see all the we did all the shit in the weekend. We was up all day swinging. Yeah, Ice Cube on a Friday. Chris Tucker on a Friday. Michael said on a Friday. Jonah Hill on a Friday. Rockin' little blood diamonds. Sucked off on the highway. Police right behind me. Like a nigga stole his OJ. Okay, I don't play. Got the same last name as OJ.
Hope you guys have fun trying to make this drink. Please stay healthy and safe. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
My girl, buzz me through my life.